Get gritty. Awesome. Hey guys. First off, to doing this with the tunnel is you want to drill these out. With a hand drill. And since these are all going to be M2s, you're going to want to use a 1.5 millimeter drill, hand drill, because they do need to bite plastic. Everything will be listed in the first video, and I'll list it in the description. So what we're going to do for these is just hand drill all of these out. Sorry, the lighting's crappy. Make sure your thing is tight, your chuck is tight first, and then just drill all of these out for every single piece and every single hole that does need it. You do not need to do these ones just yet, but it doesn't mind. It'll be okay. One thing to make sure though is to do all of the ones in the tunnel, both sides. As you can see that, both sides. So now we'll cut to a time lapse. Thank you. Awesome, now that that's done, we have all our pieces that are ready to be put together, and we are putting these together with M2 by 8s, M2 4, and M2 by 5s. M2 by 8s to go to this with the thing, and then when we are doing this, joining these are going to be M2 by 4 or 5s. I think I'm going to use 5s. So now let's cut to it. With the tunnel, I forgot to print out a section or two, so the next section you'll see is when I'm done. This is right after the time lapse. Have fun. See you then. The tunnel all done. Looks nice and fresh.